How to download raw Accel. So in this video, I will show you how you can download and install raw Accel into your computer. So first things that you need to do is to head over to their actual website, which is rawaccel.net. You should be able to see this. As you can see, raw Accel can help optimize your mouse acceleration for Windows. So once you scroll down, you can see this download option, or you can also click on this download option right here into the tab. Click onto this right here and you can see this. So this is the official download page. We have in here the latest version, but you can also expand in order to see the older versions of raw Accel. In this case, head over and click onto this download. Now this will actually prompt you to wait first, and from in there it should be able to help you download the raw Accel. So head over and click onto this show on folder and make sure to actually go and then right click this. Into this part, right click, and then from in there extract the actual content of raw Accel. Click onto this extract all option. Then click on extract. And then after that, this will actually extract the content of the raw Accel. So just wait for this to finish it. Once it's been finished, you can see in here the actual folder for that. Open that and you should be able to see this. Open it and you can see in here the installer. So head over and click onto this installer option. And then from in there, just head over and then press any key. And in this one, this will actually help you to actually install the raw Accel on your device. So that's how you actually download raw Accel. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got any questions, just drop it in the comments.